Today, I'll show you how to link Mailchimp to Jotform. Whether you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts or automate your workflow, connecting these two tools is a great way to enhance productivity. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with your Jotform account, making your data flow effortlessly between the two platforms. First, you need to head over to jotform.com. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, just enter your credentials and navigate to your dashboard. This is where you can manage all your forms and integrations. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to select the form you want to connect with Mailchimp. Scroll through your list of forms and click on the one you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Form button. This will take you into the form builder where you can make all the necessary adjustments and add integrations. Now that you're in the form builder, look towards the top of the page and click on the Settings tab. This section is crucial because it's where you'll find all the options to configure your form, including integrations and notifications. When you've opened the Settings tab, your next move is to click on Integrations in the left sidebar. This is where Jotform allows you to connect with various third-party applications, making it a versatile tool for all your business needs. In the Integrations section, there's a search bar where you can type in the name of the application you wish to connect with. Type Mailchimp into this search bar. This will filter the list of available integrations and make it easier for you to find what you're looking for. Once you see Mailchimp in the list, click on it. This will open a new window where you can set up the connection between Jotform and Mailchimp. You're just a few clicks away from linking the two platforms. To finalize the connection, you need to authenticate your Mailchimp account. You'll see an Authenticate button in the integration window. Click on it and a pop-up will prompt you to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and authorize the connection. This step is vital as it ensures that your Jotform data can be smoothly transferred to your Mailchimp account. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Mailchimp to Jotform. With this integration, every time someone fills out your form, their information will automatically be added to your Mailchimp mailing list. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling email campaigns without worrying about manual data entry. If you encounter any issues or have questions, both Jotform and Mailchimp offer excellent support resources that can help you troubleshoot any problems. But for now, you're all set to take full advantage of this powerful integration. Happy emailing!